beginning, rather than using Harry Potter symbols, which can be a bit confusing for the math, I'm going to simply use numbers. So I've got here a Dobble card with just 3 symbols, okay? I want to start out any maths exploration with a more basic case so we can study it and then generalize it later. So my first symbol is the number 1, then the number 2, and the number 3. Now, I also need to define the variables. As we can have multiple cards in any pack and a different number of symbols, I've come up with a notation that uses subscript to define exactly which card we're talking about. So I would call the first card in a deck with 3 symbols per card, okay? I would call that C1, 3. So 1 because it's the first card we make, and 3 because on my cards that I'm designing, I have 3 symbols per card. If you'd like to get this PDF that comes along with this, with all the step-by-step instructions and my answers, you can download that in the link below. So we can define the variable CIS to be the ith card in a specific double deck of cards where I can be 1, 2, up to NS. As we previously discussed, NS is the minimum number of cards required to create a double deck with S symbols. And I is an element of N, it's a natural number. And that's because, for example, this could be my first double card, my second card in the deck, my third card in the deck. These are all I is a natural number. So if we use this notation here, this would be C18, this would be C28, and this would be C38. This would be my third card with 8 symbols. Okay? Now we're going to start digging into the mathematics after defining all the variables.